Tracy again here at Osceola County Animal Services. Are you ready for some football and fur balls? Because we sure are. It's time for our brand new adoption event, so come on down and support your team. Speaking of teams, this is Shoeshine, and he picked the Seminoles. Shoeshine is a 10-month-old beagle. He's a really sweet dog. He needs a loving home with lots of time to play and run. And on the gator side, we have Allie. Allie the gator fan, that is. She's a 1-year-old patch tabby cat. She's so sweet. She wants to sit on your lap and watch the big game with you. This is Annie. Annie is one of our long-timers here. She's been here for more than 2 weeks. She is an awesome, super sweet dog. She's very mellow. She loves to be loved on. She is obviously a Seminole fan. Say, go Noles! Annie is one of our several long-timers that we have here. A long-timer is a dog that's been here for more than 2 weeks, which means their adoption fee is only $10. So come on down and adopt Annie. Her adoption fees have been paid for by one of our loving guests and employees here. So she is ready to go home and watch the big game with you. And you can score a touchdown by coming down and adopting a pet to watch the game with you. This awesome event will run all the way through Saturday, August 3rd, which is going to be our championship adoption event. Remember, wear your team colors and you can get an extra $5 off your adoption fee. We are still part of the ASPCA Rachel Ray 100K Challenge. We are at 561. We are so proud of those numbers, but you can be the next one to score the touchdown.